Cancer. It's a journey no one wants to take. But every year, thousands of Americans receive a diagnosis and find themselves facing one of the biggest challenges of their lives. We want you to know you're not alone on this journey. Through our relationship with U.S. Oncology Research, we're at the forefront of cancer treatment. Through a community of expert cancer researchers, our work spans many types and all stages of cancer. Together, we've contributed to some of the most important advancements in the search for a cure, including 100 FDA-approved therapies. When it comes to finding the treatment plan that's right for you, you have options, from established treatments to promising new treatments in the form of clinical trials. A clinical trial is a research study examining the safety and effectiveness of different cancer treatments. Clinical trials bring the most innovative new therapies to patients. They offer the hope of a new treatment to patients who may have believed they were out of options. Clinical trials may give you access to innovative new treatment options that aren't currently on the market. When you participate in a clinical trial, you'll receive careful monitoring from highly specialized medical experts. And you're guaranteed to receive either an approved treatment, known to be effective, or a promising new medicine that's currently being tested. Clinical trials are designed to put the safety of patients first. Before enrolling patients, every proposed clinical trial must follow a set of rigorous guidelines, then be reviewed and approved by an institutional review board comprised of physicians, nurses, researchers, patients, and attorneys. Clinical trials are available to you no matter what stage of cancer you have. When you participate in a clinical trial, you're not just treating your own cancer, you're helping advance cancer treatment for others. You're participating in vital research that pushes our collective knowledge forward and brings us closer to a cure. Ask your doctor to learn more about clinical trials. The clinical trial you choose for your treatment could be the breakthrough you've been waiting for.